So in the last class, we produced this whole map. So this class, we're just going to take time and edit the legend. So this legend, you can see that it has the suitability map.tif and it has value and all that. So most of the times these things are not needed in the map, so you have to edit it, or sometimes even the symbols are not in accordance with the topographic conventions. But this is not a topographic map case right now. I'm just going to give you a brief of it. So for this map, this is what we're going to do. We will just edit this so that we remove this and adjust it to our style anyhow we want it. So you right click on this map and you go to convert it to graphics. So once it is converted, you right click again and click on group. So now it is ungrouped. So I don't want this to be part of what we want. So I don't want this to be part of what we want. I don't want values to be part of it. So you see that these are gone. So we only have legend plus this right up. So I also want this to have more space. So I'll still right click and ungroup. So I'll click on it, draw space. So I'll also hold shift to select it back and group it back. So it's not going to be like anyhow you want it to be. You will be the one, you're the lord of it. So you'll be the one that will adjust it. So you right click on group. After you're done with your adjustment, you right click and group them back again. Okay, so I will hold shift, select it, right click and group. So basically this is how you edit it. Even if you want to have typing, you want to, let's say, okay, let me do that on the next one. Right click on group. Now let's say I do not just want a space, but I want like a form of dash 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 dash. So I'll right click on this one now and go to properties. So here I'm now going to put that dot 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 dot. So I'll bring out my on screen keyboard again. So I'm now going to make a selection like this. So I'm going to put the dot 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 dot. So I'll click OK. So let's see. So I will draw it back. You can see, so I will now also go to property to make some small adjustment so that it can fit in. I'll click on OK. So you see, so anything you want to do, it's very, very possible once you blend these little techniques, and you will be able to edit your legend the way you want and all that. So that brings us officially to the end of this course. So thank you for staying tuned. For those who will be needing certification, there will be a folder for certification. There will be tasks you will perform, and once you're done with those tasks, you will send them to my email. I will access them, and once I'm done accessing, your certificate will be emailed to you. Alright, so good luck guys, and bye bye for now.